ChatGPT, an AI developed by OpenAI, is incredibly advanced at imitating human-like text, from writing novels to creating poetry. However, can it truly replace human creativity? Consider first, the inherent nature of creativity is deeply rooted with our unique experiences, emotions, and perspectives, attributes that an AI, like ChatGPT, doesn't possess itself. Instead, it draws from pre-existing data it's been trained on, predominantly composed by human authors. Conversely, ChatGPT uses pattern recognition and generates results based on probabilities, which often results in fresh and unexpected combinations of ideas. So, it can enhance our creative processes, producing astonishing outputs. In conclusion, while ChatGPT can mimic and enhance human creativity, it doesn't replace it. It's a tool in our arsenal to push our creative boundaries further. And that's the exciting part, the synergy between human inventiveness and AI capabilities. Create with AI, not against it. AI Innovation Rocket.